Welcome friends. In this Bitcoin daily technical analysis video, I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin and I will tell you my next target of Bitcoin right now. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And if you want to get $700 bonus of Binance Exchange, just go to in this video's description, click on this link. This is the Binance Exchange link. Create your account and after deposit you can get $700 bonus. And if you want to get $1,600 bonus of Bybit Exchange, then this is the link. Click on this link and create your account, and after creating and after depositing you can get $1,600 bonus, which is absolutely free and which is withdrawable and which is tradable too. And if you create your account with my affiliate link and if you create your Binance account with my link, in that case you will get 25% special discount on every trade. And if you open your new Binance account with my affiliate link, in that case I have an offer for you. Then please contact me after creating your account with my affiliate link on my Telegram, and I will give you 1 month free subscription of my VIP Telegram Signal channel. Let's dive into the content. Right now Bitcoin is currently at $33,800. In my yesterday's video, I was told you that I was set these three targets. My first target was 34,780 and my second target was $33,409. Here you can see Bitcoin very successfully hit my targets. Many congratulations who took this trade of approximately, let me please show you. It was the trade of 6.95% with 10x leverage. It is near about 70x, 70% trade. Now what is next? Here you can see, if I zoom this, you can see after hitting this zone, which I said this I was told you this is the support zone, is at $33,400. Bitcoin price pullback. Here you can see I was at this target. Let me please remove this. And now you can clearly see after hitting this zone, here you can see Bitcoin pulls back. If this pullback is enough, if Bitcoin is pulling back from right now, market is very bearish, and I think if Bitcoin break this zone, in that case it can go to $32,170, $31,020. Once Bitcoin break this $33,400, and in that case our first target is $32,070, and our second target will be, let me please remove these targets. These are previous ones, that is why I am deleting. And our first target is $32,170 and our second target will be like this. This will be our second target, $31,130. You have to be wait. According to the support and resistance base, let me please show you the target. Sorry for that. I'm very sorry for that. According to the support and resistance base, Bitcoin can go down to $32,000. But my target is $32,170. It is my first target. My second target is $31,030. Let me please show you EMA ribbon, and after that I will show you the exact targets. I think Bitcoin can go down to hit these targets. This is overly EMA ribbon, and here you can see Bitcoin candles are very below from this and EMA ribbon, and EMA ribbon is right now very strong resistance for the Bitcoin, and that is not good sign. Here you can see there is a good volume in Bitcoin chart, and that is why maybe price of the Bitcoin can go down because of the bearish trend. Let me please show you VPBR, overly VPBR. Here you can see this is very alarming, very much alarming. Here you can see once Bitcoin break $33,400 in overly chart, there is no resistance, no VPBR towers are waiting for, and no more orders are waiting in overly chart to execute. That is why maybe once Bitcoin break $33,400 and close overly candle below this, in that case maybe price of the Bitcoin can down in very speedy way. And let me please show you something very interesting and very. This is RSI. RSI is below 30, is at 30, and once it below 30, it is very dangerous for the Bitcoin. And let me please show you 4-hourly and daily chart right now. First of all, daily chart. Here you can see death cross of Bitcoin occurs. Here you can see. I was told you in my previous video, once Bitcoin break this, once this death cross occurs, in that case, this is our major support zone is at $28,000. This is very strong support zone for the Bitcoin. And here you can see this death cross occurs. Here you can see. Okay. Now, people are very bearish and they are thinking that Bitcoin can go to $22,000, maybe $26,000, maybe $20,000. According to this parallel, horizontal channel, and you can say parallel channel, 4-hourly target. Let me please show you. Once Bitcoin break $28,000, in that case, it can go down to very below, I think, and it can go down to $15,000. But this is not reality. I don't think Bitcoin can go down like this. This is the zone, $28,000. Bitcoin should have to hold this zone. And let me please show you EMA ribbon of daily EMA ribbon. Bitcoin candles break daily EMA ribbon, and now it is turning very strong resistance for the Bitcoin. Let me please show you the volume. There is not such a good volume. Volume is not satisfactory on daily chart. Maybe Bitcoin will more go down. And let me please show you VPBR. Here you can see VPBR strong tower is at $35,000, $33,000, $32,600, $31,000. But here you can see in this area, if Bitcoin break this area, which is $28,000, there is no big tower. Maybe price of the Bitcoin can go down in very speedy way. Because of this, there is no support zone for the Bitcoin. No buying orders and no buying orders are waiting. Once Bitcoin break $28,000, this is the reality. We have to face this. If Bitcoin goes down below 28, that's not mean bull trend is end. Bull trend, we are still in bull trend. Don't worry. Let me please show you daily chart. Here you can see, let me please convert it into daily chart. Here you can see Bitcoin is in this horizontal or parallel channel, you can say. And let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is at $37,000 and candles are very far below, and this is not good sign. And this is the indication price of the Bitcoin maybe can go down to hit